Ever wondered how Tom Cruise maintains his youthful appearance? You're not alone. Despite being in his 60s, this Hollywood icon is still turning heads with his seemingly ageless features and impressive fitness levels. And no, it's not all about good genes or expensive skincare routines. It's about a lifestyle, a commitment to health and well-being that goes beyond the superficial. Today, we're delving into the top 10 healthy habits that Tom Cruise swears by, the ones that keep him looking and feeling decades younger. But that's not all. We're also going to uncover 5 habits that he steers clear of, habits that could potentially jeopardize his health and vitality. From his laid-back lifestyle to his regular exercise routines and diet of fresh, wholesome foods, we're about to get a glimpse into the daily life of one of the world's most renowned actors. So, buckle up and stay tuned as we reveal the secret behind Tom Cruise's youthful appearance and vibrant health. So, what are the healthy habits that Tom Cruise swears by? First up, let's talk about regular exercise. It's no secret that Tom Cruise is in fantastic shape, and that's not just due to good genes. He prioritizes his workouts, making sure to get in some form of physical activity every single day. Whether it's hitting the gym, going for a run, or practicing his stunts, Tom knows that staying active is key to keeping his body strong and resilient. Plus, regular exercise boosts endorphins, which are the brain's feel-good neurotransmitters, promoting a sense of well-being. Next, we have a balanced diet. Tom Cruise is a firm believer in the power of nourishing, wholesome foods. He opts for fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, ensuring his body gets a variety of nutrients it needs to function optimally. He also avoids processed foods and sugary drinks, understanding that what he puts into his body directly impacts his energy levels, physical appearance, and overall health. Third on the list is adequate sleep. While it may seem simple, getting enough sleep is a crucial component of Tom's health regimen. He understands that sleep is when the body repairs and rejuvenates itself, which is why he makes it a point to get a solid 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. This helps him wake up refreshed and ready to tackle his busy schedule. Coming in at number 4 is regular medical checkups. Despite his robust health, Tom Cruise doesn't take any chances. He schedules regular medical appointments to keep tabs on his health and catch any potential issues early. Regular checkups allow him to stay proactive about his health, ensuring that he can continue to take on physically demanding roles well into his 50s and beyond. Last but certainly not least, we have mental health care. Tom Cruise understands the importance of taking care of his mental health just as much as his physical health. He takes time each day to unwind and relax, whether that's through meditation, reading, or simply spending time with loved ones. He also isn't afraid to seek professional help when needed, showing us that there's no shame in prioritizing mental health. These 5 habits, regular exercise, a balanced diet, adequate sleep, regular medical checkups, and mental health care, are integral to Tom Cruise's health regimen. They not only contribute to his physical well-being, but also play a significant role in his career, enabling him to continue performing at a high level despite his age. But that's not all. We have more healthy habits coming up. Let's dive deeper into Tom Cruise's health routine. Our 6th stop on this wellness journey is hydration. Tom Cruise makes sure to drink plenty of water every day. Water is essential for maintaining bodily functions, skin health, and overall wellness. Tom's skin radiates youthfulness, and a lot of it is thanks to his hydration habit. So, go on, refill that water bottle. Your body will thank you. Next up, we have the 7th habit, avoiding processed foods. Tom Cruise is a believer in the power of fresh, wholesome foods. His diet is packed with fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Processed foods, laden with sugars and unhealthy fats, don't find a place on his plate. This habit not only helps maintain a healthy weight, but also contributes to his overall well-being and vitality. The 8th habit in Tom's health routine is his skincare regimen. Now you might think, well, he's a movie star. Of course, he's got a skincare routine. But remember, skincare isn't just about looking good on camera. It's about protecting your skin, the largest organ of your body. Tom Cruise ensures his skin is well cared for, using products that suit his skin type and protecting it from the sun's harmful rays. His glowing skin is a testament to his dedication. Let's move on to the ninth habit, positive thinking. You've probably heard the phrase, your thoughts shape your reality. Tom Cruise is a prime example of this. He believes in the power of positivity and harnesses it to stay focused, motivated, and resilient. This mental habit not only contributes to his successful career, but also promotes overall health and longevity. And finally, the 10th habit, regular detoxification. Tom Cruise regularly cleanses his body, ridding it of toxins and impurities. Detoxification can take many forms, from drinking detox water to following a detox diet or even sweating it out in a sauna. This habit helps maintain a healthy body and a clear, focused mind. These habits might seem simple, but they make a significant difference. But let's not forget, there are habits to avoid as well. Now, what are the habits that Tom Cruise strictly avoids to maintain his health? First on the list is smoking. This habit is a no-go for Cruise, and for good reason. Not only does it increase the risk of developing lung cancer, heart disease, and stroke, but it can also cause premature skin aging, stained teeth, and bad breath. So if you're aiming for a youthful appearance and a healthy lifestyle, it's best to steer clear of this habit. Next, we have excessive alcohol consumption. While the occasional glass of wine or beer isn't harmful, overindulgence can lead to serious health problems, including liver damage, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. Moreover, it can contribute to weight gain and skin damage, which can impact your appearance and overall well-being. Thirdly, stress is something Cruise works hard to manage and reduce. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your body, leading to problems like heart disease, depression, and obesity. It can also accelerate the aging process, making you look older than your years. So take a page from Tom's book and find healthy ways to manage your stress levels. The fourth unhealthy habit is lack of sleep. Your body needs adequate rest to function properly and to repair and rejuvenate itself. Lack of sleep can lead to a slew of health issues, including heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, and obesity. Moreover, it can lead to dark circles and a dull complexion, which can affect your appearance. Lastly, we come to junk food. These foods are often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and salts, which can lead to weight gain, heart disease, and diabetes. Plus, they often lack the essential nutrients your body needs to stay healthy and function properly. So if you want to follow in Tom Cruise's footsteps, ditch the junk food and opt for fresh, wholesome foods instead. Avoiding these habits is as crucial as following the healthy ones. So, are you ready to adopt these healthy habits and avoid the unhealthy ones, just like Tom Cruise? We've journeyed through the lifestyle choices of a superstar, discovering 10 habits that contribute to his enviable health and youthful appearance. From a laid-back attitude that keeps stress at bay, to a rigorous exercise routine that keeps him fit and agile. We've also seen how a diet rich in fresh, wholesome foods boosts his vitality and keeps him energized. But it's not just about what he does, it's also about what he doesn't. Avoiding unhealthy habits like excessive sugar, lack of sleep, and a sedentary lifestyle are just as crucial in maintaining his health and vigor. These habits aren't exclusive to superstars. They're simple, yet effective, steps that anyone can incorporate into their daily routine. So why not give it a shot? After all, a healthy life isn't just about the years in your life, it's about the life in your years. Remember, it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good. Here's to a healthier, happier you.